We're gonna be reviewing my full build breakdown on the Daniel Defense PCC with the 8.3 inch cold hammer forged barrel. Let's jump right into the video. So guys, this is my Daniel Defense PCC. This is chambered in 9mm, has an 8.3 inch barrel, cold hammer forged with a 1 in 10 twist. This gun is so accurate, especially with the shorter barrel, and I have paired with it a HUXWRX H9K titanium suppressor. It has a 1/2 by 28 threaded barrel, so it's perfect for your standard muzzle devices or suppressors. So far, I love this gun. I have a couple cool features on this gun that you'll probably find interesting, and I'll make another video on this as well, how I did this. So a quick deep dive into the gun. It's a fully ambidextrous lower receiver down here. This gun actually takes CZ magazines. Here's the magazine right here. You can put 35 rounds in here. In the gun, I have some hollow points. I don't use these, only for defense, which hopefully I never get to use these, but this is what I have in here. I used this gun for a competition and it did phenomenal. Very, very good gun. I took the brace off. It is registered as an SBR, which is a short barrel rifle. I have the suppressor on there, so I have both. This gun is all complete and I just love it as well. So now we're gonna get into the features of what I modded this gun up with. First off, I showed you is the HUXWRX H9K. This is an amazing can. It's a flow-through can, so you're not gonna get all of that lead in your face, and it is so quiet. It weighs super light. If you're wanting something that also works on other guns, like a 22 or other 9mm, this works really good on a 22 gun as well. Moving to the front of the gun, I have a Sreamlight proTac flashlight right here, as you see, with the pressure plate on the side right here. This is a very, very bright flashlight. I really like it as well. And it is mounted on the side right there. Moving up to the top of the gun. Right here we have the Vortex Spitfire 1X. This one is a very good one. It stands up high. Also has a red or green option as well for the red dot. In the back, I have the Micro 3X Vortex. This is very good, especially for the competition. You have the 3X, and then you just rotate it to the side, clicks, and then you have the 1X Spitfire. Also love this mount on here, because you can just quick release it. You just press this in, and you can take that right off, which is awesome. And all you gotta do is put it on, and you clip it right on, and that's it. So easy. I traded out all of the Daniel Defense grips for the Strike Industries stock foregrip and front grip as well. I just like how they look. They feel really good as well. The best part, this is not a fully automatic gun. This is a semi-automatic rifle, but you also have the option of semi, and you also have the full. So I installed a Arcfire 3 Selector Super Safety, or FRT, forced reset trigger. So whenever you pull the trigger, it resets and it shoots faster than semi-automatic. I had to do a lot of things to this gun to make this possible. I tried a lot of FRTs. This one, you have to do some things to the receiver to make it work, which I'll make another video on if you guys are interested in that, because it is very hard to find a video on how to do that, because this gun is a fun gun to shoot, and you want to have fun with it too. And I have had no problems with it. It runs flawlessly. I've used it in competitions just on the semi-automatic, and I've had no issues whatsoever. Been very, very happy with this gun. I think that's pretty much wraps with this gun. I love this gun a lot. If you have any questions, comments on this gun, please leave them down in the description. Have a wonderful day.